Hi guys, got a nice little ABUS EC75, which is a 75/30, and a dimple core lock, as you see there. There's the bitting on the key. Is it bitting or bidding? I always want to say bidding, but people think bitting is correct and bidding is not. I don't know. I don't care really, but here you go. There's the key, there's the lock. We're gonna try and open it up with bobby pins. I just made this up just literally a few seconds ago. All I did is just file down here and left a little tip, and they're just regular bobby pins that I stole out of my wife's makeup drawer, and just bend one down for the lever. I've tried with this little lock these type of picks, they're all too big. I've tried these type of picks that look like a stick of licorice, they're all too big. Not too keen on these ones, just got them the other day, very bendy, they bend all over the place. There they go, they're not bad for the money, but they bend a lot. These ones here, much better, although I have broke one already. I haven't had it that long. Snapped it off. Gets stuck behind one of the pins in a different lock. But let's stop yapping and let's crack on with it. Okay then, let's have a go at picking this lock open with the bobby pins. Might be a bit of bitch picking going on. Alright, let's put the lever in and bobby pin lever and pick. There's the end of the pick there. Only takes a second or two to make these things. Alright, let's get some hang on, one thing I forgot. I want to set a timer running, see how long it takes us. Probably quite a while, especially if I keep yapping. Alright, here we go. Play a bit of music because you're gonna get bored watching this, I'm sure, unless you're really a lock freak. Got some movement on the core there. there we go, we got it. And it took, well, including all the gabbing and all of that, just over 3 minutes to do. But there we go, it just goes to show with with a couple of bobby pins here. There you go, all I did was file that bit flat and that was it really. And kind of sharpened the tip there so it could push past the pins. But it's possible with very little skill and a couple of bobby pins to pop these dimple locks open. But I gotta say, it is a very secure little padlock, much more secure than regular pins and keys that I've come across anyway for a lock of this size. Most secure lock of its size that I have encountered. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys.